In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stretch videos in CapCut quickly and easily, whether you want to make your footage wider, taller, or fit a specific style for your edit. This is a simple but powerful technique that can help you create more cinematic framing, fill awkward spaces, or adjust your video to match the look you want. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your clip is already placed on the timeline. The very first step is to select the clip you want to stretch. Just click directly on the video in the timeline so it becomes highlighted and ready for editing. Once the clip is selected, move over to the top right panel and open the Video tab. Inside that tab, look for the Basic section. This is where CapCut keeps the main transform controls for your clip. Now, here comes the important part. Find the Uniform Scale toggle and turn it off. When Uniform Scale is enabled, CapCut keeps the width and height locked together, which means you can only resize the clip proportionally. But if you want to stretch the video in one direction, you need to uncheck that option so the width and height can be adjusted separately. After turning off Uniform Scale, you'll see the Scale Width and Scale Height sliders become fully usable. This is where the stretching happens. If you want to make the video look wider, increase the scale width. If you want to make it taller, increase the scale height. And if you want to flatten or compress the footage, you can lower either setting as needed. The key is to adjust each slider slowly until the video looks the way you want. You can stretch it horizontally for a wider look or vertically if you need to fill a taller frame. If your footage starts to look too distorted, just fine-tune the sliders until it feels balanced. This method is especially useful if you're editing for social media formats, creating stylized visuals, or trying to make a clip fit a specific screen size. Take a moment to preview the results in your canvas so you can see how the stretch clip looks before moving on. If needed, you can always go back and tweak the scale values until the framing is perfect. And that's really all there is to it. Select the clip, open the Video tab, go into Basic, turn off Uniform Scale, and manually adjust the scale width and scale height sliders to stretch your video in CapCut. It's a fast and easy trick that can make a big difference in your edits. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what CapCut tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.